It's a 2011 Kia Forte. Don't settle for old rules and standards. Break free in a driving experience as unique as you are. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: wireless audio streaming, wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, multifunction steering wheel, air conditioning, automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, and inline 4-cylinder engine. This from Car and Driver. With the smaller engine and the automatic gearbox, the Forte didn't invite aggressive driving, but that's all the better to enjoy the spacious and well-appointed interior and airy greenhouse. The ride is relatively supple, and the car welcomes simply sliding it into drive and cruising. Kia, dependable today and way, way down the road. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
At Rochester Car Clearance Center, you get our best price, bottom line.
We are conveniently located on Highway 14 West, near West Circle Drive.